Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here in front of the Southern District of New York Courthouse. Today, Friday, January 19th, 2024. What a difference a day makes. Yesterday, this spot right here was full of TV cameras, TV trucks for the Carroll Trump trial. Today, it's on hiatus until Monday, when it was said Donald Trump will testify the day before the New Hampshire primary. We'll see, because there's some other witnesses, but we covered it closely yesterday. Here comes a police car across Worth Street. It's ambient noise, it's how it works. Yesterday we covered it closely. There it goes. Whoa. And the Alina Habba repeatedly shut down by Judge Kaplan. Now I will say people read it different ways. Many people, many legal professionals are saying, wow, what a slapdown, what a performance, terrible performance, I mean. And others are saying, wow, what this judge is sort of showing himself, as they did with Judge Engeron. So you see what you want to see. We wrote it up in various ways. We did the live tweeting, we did a separate story today, and we're putting out something a little longer together. But I digress. In fact, yesterday, during a break, we went and covered the Honduras trial, coming to trial, the former president, Juan Orlando Hernandez. Yes, he's in the MDC, and he spoke to it for himself at some length yesterday in the jury box. He has two co-defendants, and he said, number one, that the discovery given to him, 3,500 material, which comes soon before trial, shows that there's death threats against his family in Honduras, and also that a shadowy rabbi named Jorge Levy convinced him to hire his current lawyer, Mr. Colon, who now says he's sick, and also promised that he could get a pardon for his brother Tony Hernandez from then President Donald Trump. So worlds were colliding between the 11th floor of Judge Castell and the 26th floor of Judge Kaplan. That's a trial that we're paying close attention to. There was also supposed to be the sentences of a Venezuelan general, Cleaver Alcala. He was accused of helping the FARC, but then he switched. He flipped the script and joined Guaido. Doesn't seem to be enough. In fact, the sentencing wasn't held because they want to do a Fatico hearing to also ramp up his sentencing based on some drug charges that he thought were out of the case. Government, U.S. government, that is, wants 30 long years. Okay, well, now, we've asked the UN about this thing. The United Nations that we covered from inside for many years and still cover. We asked them to comment on this whole legal conundrum between Venezuela and the United States. We asked them actually about the current hot conflict between Iran, Pakistan, Yemen, and all ships passing by. And you know what? No answers at all. It's weird. It's strange that people respect an organization that has no respect itself for freedom of the press. But we continue to push, and we will not rest. InnerCityPress.com.